Anyone who works in the auto industry recognises the pressures to keep reducing CO2, keep improving customer convenience, and keep eliminating needless waste. And over the next 20 years, we're expecting hybrid electric vehicles to make a big contribution. Nexcel is the revolutionary new plug-and-play oil system, a sealed oil cell which contains the oil and the oil filter for the engine. And a question we often get asked at Nexcel is, how can your sealed oil cell technology help in hybrid electric powertrains? The answer is, in a few different ways. And I believe you'll agree with me once you've seen it. This is one of the most popular hybrid electric cars in the world. We've installed it with a Nexcel system for demonstration purposes. In traditional car servicing, changing the oil in this car takes at least 20 minutes in a workshop, and you are left with, on average, 4 litres of used engine oil, which needs careful disposal. With Nexcel, the oil change will only take a couple of minutes and the used oil stays in the oil cell. I'm going to show you how Nexcel can bring benefits to a hybrid electric car, for example, convenient servicing, easy recycling, reuse of both the used oil and the cell, and reduced CO2 emissions. Of course, packaging all the powertrain tech under the bonnet is a challenge, but here you can see we've integrated the Nexcel oil cell into the engine space to simplify the oil and oil filter changes required for the internal combustion engine. The relatively low maintenance battery has been relocated to the rear of the car. We've taken an existing vehicle to demonstrate the Nexcel system, but there are other powertrain design opportunities. With the oil cell separated from the engine, it could then allow the engine block to be downsized and potentially resited to an area that is more efficient for weight distribution or for the vehicle profile. With Nexcel, access to the top or bottom of the engine block for oil changes is no longer necessary. And if engine location can be optimized, then so can the location of the oil cell, even away from the engine bay altogether if necessary. Let me show you just how quickly you can change the oil and filter with Nexcel. Once I've taken the oil cell out, all I need to do is return it to the Nexcel collection point and install a new cell into the engine bay. I don't need to put the car on that ramp behind me to do this. Keeping most of the engine oil sealed in this cell and topping up the engine automatically can improve the warm-up time of the engine and will also allow you to specify new and bespoke oil formulations dedicated to specific engines. We anticipate that the combination of these two factors will lead to a significant reduction of CO2 emissions from the combustion engines of the future. The combustion engine in a hybrid electric application needs lubricating according to its very specific duty cycle. Nexcel makes looking after it efficient, clean and quick. As an automotive engineer, you probably have questions or maybe comments, so we'd really love to talk to you. Please get in touch via our website and we'll make sure we get back to you as soon as we can.